Hello students, today's short type answer question from 3 questions. Number 1. Why did the Tsar decided to consult the hermit? Answer. The Tsar decided to consult the hermit because his scholars failed and he knew the hermit who was wise enough to give answer to his 3 questions. Number 2. Why did the Tsar came to the hermit? কেন জার হারমিটের কাছে এসেছিল? The Tsar went to the hermit to know the answer of his 3 important questions because the hermit was widely renowned for his wisdom. Whom did the hermit use to receive? কাকে হারমিট কার সঙ্গে দেখা করত? The hermit used to receive none but the common folk. Why did the Tsar disguise his appearance before meeting the hermit? কেন হারমিটের সঙ্গে দেখা করার আগে জার নিজেকে ছদ্মবেশ ধারণ করিয়েছিলেন? The Tsar disguised his appearance before meeting the hermit because the hermit received none but common folk. Where did the hermit live? Hermit কোথায় বাস করতেন? Answer. The hermit lived in a wood which he never quitted. What was the hermit doing when the Tsar came to visit him? Hermit কি করছিলেন যখন জার তার সঙ্গে দেখা করতে এলেন? Was digging the ground with his spade when the Tsar came to visit him. Number 7. Why did the hermit breathe heavily? জোরে জোরে শ্বাস নিচ্ছিলেন কেন? It breathed heavily because he was too weak to undertake the heavy toil of digging the ground. Number 8. How did the Tsar helped the hermit by digging the ground for him? You are tired. Who said this and what did he do? The Tsar said this to the hermit and took the spade from the hermit to start digging the ground for himself. Number 10. Now rest a while. Who said this and why? It is because he thought that the Tsar stopped digging and repeated his questions only because he was tired. Number 11. Why did the Tsar not agree with any of the learned men? কোনো জ্ঞানী ব্যক্তিদের কথাই তিনি স্বীকার করলেন না। The Tsar did not agree with any of learned men as their answers were different and he was not satisfied with the answer provided by them to his 3 questions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe me please.